Yes, good day, somebody. My name is Mr. Luis, and this is my YouTube channel of Mr. L. Domingo. I just want you to subscribe to the following video that you're gonna watch. Please enjoy it and post a comment, like it, and share the video on your Facebook. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel of Mr. L. Domingo.
Fractions, are we together? Ne? We are in the topic of fractions, can you see? Okay, so the issue is we need to learn about fractions because fractions is what you learned when you are in grade 4 up to grade 5 and 6. But there are three types of fractions that we have. Fractions are basically divided into three parts. There's what we call proper fractions, improper fraction, and mixed numbers or mixed fractions. Are we together? Now you can say, what is a proper fraction? A proper fraction, for example, if I say 2 over 3, so let's just try with this one. So you have 2 over 3, like that. With a proper fraction, you know that a fraction has two parts. You have a numerator and a denominator. Are we together? The numerator should be smaller. So let's write it here. So this should be smaller. And the denominator is said to be bigger. Are we together? Smaller and bigger, like that. Which means that is how proper fractions are. Always the numerator must be smaller. The denominator is said to be bigger than the numerator. But for an improper fraction, it's the other way around. So an improper, let's use the same thing. So it's like you take the 2 over 3 and then you will say it's 3 over 2. Which means with an improper fraction, the one that is bigger is your numerator. So it's said to be bigger and your numerator is said to be smaller. So please remember that. This is what you're going to write down in your books. So that is the two types of fractions, the proper and the improper. Always if you see the numerator is bigger, it's said to be improper. But if the numerator is smaller, it's a proper. Let's go to the mixed numbers. With mixed numbers, learners, what you must remember is with mixed numbers, these are fractions that have a number that stands in front of a fraction. Like you can have a mixed fraction like this. You can have 2, and maybe here you will have 1 over 2, like that. Now, this type of a fraction, where you have a number in front, this number we call a whole number. You can say it's a counting number. It's a whole number, which means 2 is a whole number. This is a whole number.
What's the right examples?
Yes, let us you write the examples. I will give you time to write it out. The 1 over 2 is called the fraction. So this is the fraction part. So a mixed number has a whole number and it has a fraction part. So this is what we need to remember. And we are expected to know how to do it. So there's also something that I need to point out here, which we will look at when we need to change mixed numbers can be changed to improper fractions, right? That's what we will look at in the next video.